SoundHound is on a freaking tear, fam. I can't say I didn't tell you so. Anybody who missed it is left in the dust without profits. I told you guys July was going to be huge, and there's still a lot more to go with SoundHound. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Corey here. If it's your first time stopping in, be sure to subscribe, tap the bell, and give me a thumbs up, as it greatly helps the channel grow. So I told you guys SoundHound was going to run. We got some big news that came out this morning, but I told you guys it was going to run 6 weeks ago. I told you July was going to be the month. They just picked up a big partnership. They also picked up a bunch of contracts, and they're implementing a lot in July. And there's also the potential of a partnership with McDonald's, because SoundHound is debt-free, sitting on $200 million in cash, and they're a potential partner for McDonald's, or at least they're on McDonald's watch list, because McDonald's let go of IBM, and they're testing a lot of AI voice-activated drive-through software, and SoundHound's on the list. And not only that, SoundHound also acquired Allset, which has a lot of AI voice ordering in the restaurant business. SoundHound is really starting to take over voice AI and recognition in their field, and since they're debt-free, sitting on $200 million in cash, now is the time to buy SoundHound. Well, now is the time, but if you'd followed my alerts, you would have got in 6 weeks ago, and you'd already be up 20% already in a couple of weeks. So let me read verbatim, let you guys know exactly what the news is today on SoundHound. But if you guys missed out on this trade alert and you want more trade alerts like it, and maybe you want one-on-one coaching so you can understand how to read charts just like me, because this is exactly what I teach to my students, you can sign up for my one-on-one coaching at any time. Comes with a full training course, Discord access, and one-on-one coaching with me. You can sign up at any time at investwithcorey.com, right there on the screen or in the information box below. I also have a free newsletter you can sign up for in the information box below as well. And I just launched my masterclass boot camp. It's filled up completely for July, but the one for August still has some slots available there. So if you guys are interested in even more advanced strategies and one-on-one coaching, only 10 spots per boot camp, and there's only a few left for August. You guys can sign up for that as well. Let's talk about SoundHound. Let's talk about the updated news that just came in today. Hot off the press. Let's go, fam. So I'm going to read this verbatim. This way you guys can understand how important this is for SoundHound. Shares are a lot higher today, and there's a big reason for it. The company announced, SoundHound announced today, that its ChatGPT integrated voice assistant is now live and in production in Peugeot, Opel, and Vauxhall brands in Europe. This is very critical. The SoundHound chat voice AI assistant with integrated ChatGPT is now live in production, Peugeot, Opel, Vauxhall vehicle brands in Europe, 11 European markets, including Austria, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, and the United Kingdom. SoundHound said it expects to enter 17 total markets by the end of July. Big month of July, just like I told you. For certain previous release models, SoundHound Chat AI with integrated ChatGPT will be available on demand and can be delivered over the air with no need to visit the dealer. This is huge. Our collaboration with Stellantis has put both companies right at the cutting edge of innovation in the automotive sector, bringing the driver experience into a new exciting era, said Michael Zagorsek, COO of SoundHound. Stellantis also owns Alfa Romeo, Ferrari, and Dodge. So the Dodge brand, you can expect Dodge Chargers, Challengers, the Dart, as well as the Durango. These vehicles are most likely going to have SoundHound as well. So you're going to see SoundHound voice AI in America, which means further expansion for SoundHound stateside. The stock jumped $1 today just on this news. Once they're integrated into vehicles in the United States, and then we've got the potential partnership with McDonald's at the end of the month. They also acquired Allset, which is an online voice ordering for restaurants. With all of this stuff going on, and the fact that SoundHound is completely debt-free, sitting on $200 million in cash, it's safe to say that if earnings just meet the expectation in the next few weeks, we could see SoundHound pop off between $7 to $8 or maybe even $9 or $10. It's hard to say exactly, but SoundHound is on a tear, just like I told you it would. And I'm not like other YouTubers that try to pump or promote. I look into the news, technical fundamentals. I look at the balance sheets. I research everything. I look at the charts, the sentiment, and I do like pretty much the whole picture. And I understand exactly what I'm looking for and looking at. And you guys know that I'm good at doing this. I called Rivian. I called HIMS. I called Palantir. SoundHound. Robinhood is another one. There's been a lot of stocks over the past month that I've called and told you guys which plays were good, and they're popping off. Wayfair was another one. Now Square's going back up again. These are stocks that I'm used to reading. I'm used to trading. I understand them. SoundHound is proud to deliver voice AI technology that meets the market's demand for next generation consumer experience built on natural conversation. With the introduction of SoundHound Chat AI into Peugeot, Opel, and Vauxhall, drivers and passengers passengers will now enjoy hands-free voice control for things like managing navigation, making calls, or accessing real-time information. Users will also be able to ask detailed questions and continue a conversation as the voice assistant interacts with external knowledge sources and in-vehicle control interchangeably. This is game-changing. SoundHound is basically making Palantir and NVIDIA type moves in the voice AI field. So we look at the chart right here, and you can see the big move that SoundHound has made. We can see that on the daily chart. It's not quite a gap, so it's not like we're gapping up. It's, straight buying power. It's unlikely we're going to get much of a pullback. We could, but I anticipate a pullback would be about 470, 475, 480, somewhere in there. Maybe a little bit of a pullback, and then it will continue up. Usually pullbacks happen somewhere between here and here. So I would say the floor is 450. We're not going to be going back to $4 for a while because this is big news, and we have a lot more big news coming for the month of July. I told you guys, hey, anybody who doubted me, guys, you doubted me. You know who you are. Couple of times over the last couple of weeks, I've seen the comment saying SoundHound wasn't going to go up. You guys missed out on Hims, Rivian, Palantir, Robinhood, Wayfair, Square, all my trades, and you missed out on this one too. So let's go take a look at the options chain so I can show you guys a little bit more on SoundHound. So here we are in SoundHound. I got a small position in this account, but as you guys can see, it's up 21% in one day. 21% in one day. Very nice. My average cost is 508 because I got in a little higher on this account. Dollar cost average down to 508, but I told you guys the move was happening. My big account has like 25 grand worth of SoundHound, so it's up a lot. So this is really, really huge. And, SoundHound is making moves. So what I would do is I would sell $4.50 puts. I wouldn't sell calls yet because you're going to get capped at $5.50 or $6. And if the stock goes to $8, you're going to miss out. So right now you can sell puts to get in. For this week alone, you could sell $5 puts and collect $20 juicy premium, giving you a break-even price of $4.80, which is well worth it. I would look to get in at that price. Anything under $5 is a good price. Anything under $4.50 is a steal. And when it was under $4, that was just like robbery, getting that stock at $3.90. I don't think that's ever going to happen again. But I would sell $5 puts going out to this Friday, $20 in 2 days. Very good premium. Volatility is kicked up, and that's where you're getting all of this premium from. Implied volatility in Vega, which is a Greek that works directly with implied volatility. So every percent the volatility goes up, the price of the options change by the amount of Vega. I teach this in my one-on-one coaching training course in Discord. If you guys are interested and you like the strategies and my trade alerts, and you're looking to overall improve in the market, what drives me every day is helping people like you achieve the financial success that you deserve. I would sell $5 puts. You can go 450 puts and make $10, $5 or $10 on those. Either or is good. You could go out to next Friday and sell a $5 put or a 450 put. That's exactly what I would do. I would not sell covered calls at this time because even if we go out to next week at a $6, I'm only going to make $10. And if it runs beyond $6, it's not worth making $10 on. It's worth selling puts to get in so we can wait for this big juicy run to happen in July and August. And if you guys want to exit, then you'll be able to exit in the high sixes, possibly, maybe even in the $7 or $8 range and make a lot more profits. What I would concentrate on is selling puts to get in, or at least making a bunch of juicy premium from the stock and all of its implied volatility. There are a couple of people that questioned this trade on SoundHound and said that it wasn't a good idea, that SoundHound wasn't going to go up. You guys know who you are. You missed out on this trade. Totally missed out. Next time, trust me. Invest with Corey you trust, right? But either way, SoundHound has a very clear path to profitability and to grow exponentially in the coming years. Working with Stellantis, which is an automotive manufacturer worldwide, as Dodge in the States, Alfa Romeo, as well as Peugeot, Vauxhall, and Opel in France, England, pretty much all over Europe, Germany. This is an incredible feat to accomplish for SoundHound. Now the big question is, are they going to get a big contract in the restaurant space with someone like McDonald's? Well, only time will tell. McDonald's terminated their contract with IBM and are on the lookout for someone else to fill their shoes and do better. SoundHound. If they in fact work with SoundHound, this stock is going to go to the moon. Even if they don't, with the acquisition of Allset moving into the automotive space as well as the restaurant ordering space and being debt-free, sitting on $200 million in cash, SoundHound's a winner no matter what. I would hold, and hold. Just sell puts. Don't even sell calls. This is a long-term growth stock, and they're doing fantastically. SoundHound is a serious player and a long-term investment that looks like it's on the path to the moon. Thanks so much for being here, guys. Be sure to subscribe and tap the bell if you guys enjoy the content, and give me a thumbs up as it greatly helps the channel grow. So if you guys enjoy my alerts like this video on SoundHound that I gave 6 weeks ago and my other alerts, and you like my overall strategies and my teaching style, and you guys are looking to become more profitable in the market, I am offering one-on-one coaching, full training course, and Discord to help you achieve your financial goals and freedom that you ultimately deserve. That's what drives me every single day. I can't wait to speak with you and help you grow your portfolio. So if you guys are interested in the advanced training in the Masterclass Bootcamp, you can sign up for that or the one-on-one coaching at any time. InvestWithCorey.com, right there on the screen or in the information box below. Now, I know this video is over, but I picked another one just for you, and it's right here. You guys are going to love that video. Click it. I'll see you over there. And remember, until the next video, let's grow our wealth together. Take care, guys. Click the video. I'm already over there waiting for you. I'm in 2 places at once.